Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another opening of Pokemon Battle Styles. With me today, my boys, Peruvian Thunder and Stormwalker.
What is going on?
Let's go.
And we got... Oh, let's go!
Alright, dude.
Oh,
that is beautiful.
Alright. Let's get it going. Let's open these bad boys.
This is exciting.
Oh,
I'm still. What are we saying? We want that. I want that. Single strike, Urshifu.
yes.
So how do I open this properly, Stormwalker? This way?
Yeah, that way. That's typically what I do. And then I like to, do it from the top there.
And then turn around. Okay, like that. Oh, jeez.
Exactly.
Oh, jeez.
That's how it goes with these packs.
Oh my goodness.
You got it.
There you go. All right. Cop that code. Cop that code.
Oh no. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, four.
All right. We got Psychic Energy.
Okay.
Purugly.
Purugly. All right.
EXP Share.
All right.
Weeping Bell.
Oh,
That face.
Salandit. Corphish.
Oh, there we go.
Slowpoke.
Oh,
Nice.
Timber.
what the timber?
Esper. We got one more. Bishop. Oh no, there's another one. No, Bishop. That reverse hollow. Very nice.
And
Centiscore. Okay.
Not bad.
What was that first one?
Which one?
The
Centiscore.
reverse hollow Bishop.
Bishop.
Oh, the reverse one. Timber is worth 19 cents.
There's the code.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's in this car.
Fire Energy.
There we go.
That's a good sign.
Tower
Sour Waters. Luxio.
Nice.
Escape Rope. But it needs a little bit of that.
You already
Cacnea. Shinx.
Oh, what?
Sizzlipede.
Look at that. Spearow. Look at that sleepy on.
Is that a hollow? No, it's not.
Yeah, it's good.
Earn a Vitality. Primate.
Oh,
Was the Earn a Vitality reverse?
Was it? Oh yeah, it is actually.
Yeah.
It's reverse hollow.
Oh, okay.
Very nice.
But that's good in this too.
Oh, that was kind of flawless opening.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Learning the way. 2, 3, 4.
There it is.
Oh, fighting. This is it. This is a sign.
This is a good
This is a sign. This is a sign.
There we go.
Honchkrow.
It's dope art. Camping gear.
Nice.
Durant.
Oh, I hate those things.
Electrify.
I was always a fan of Durant.
Really? Oh,
Look at the
Licky tongue.
no.
You already know. Cherubi. Murkrow.
Reverse hollow.
No, that wasn't.
No.
I thought it was. I thought it was too. Forcing.
you were kind of doing it like the one.
Yeah, there it
This one.
is. Clay doll.
Clay doll. And what do we got?
Oh, Phalanx.
Phalanx.
What is that? What is that thing?
I think it's supposed to be like a caterpillar. Like they're just separate like heads that like form together.
Yeah, they're like a combo, but they're not.
There's Licky in this too. There's Licky in this.
Yeah, Nico pulled Licky.
Yeah, I got one Licky in my other one.
Yeah. Oh, let's go.
That's our mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the XG, by the way. It stands for Xeno Gaming.
You already
2,
know. We're doing
3,
it upside down.
4. Or is it?
Oh, look at that.
We got
Wow,
Durant.
look at that. Get that out of here.
Tower of Darkness.
That was close.
Electabuzz. Gligar. Is it Gligar or Gligger?
Liger, yeah.
Oh,
Honedge.
what?
On it.
Is that a sword?
Yeah.
Scatterbug. That it is.
Yes, it is. No, not yet. Remoraid.
Remoraid. This
That's
is
a
the
reverse
hollow.
hollow. And we got Lorantis.
Oh.
Yo, check out that Remoraid for a second. He's
What?
he's juggling rocks on a stick, and then behind him, a Pokeball is juggling rocks on the stick.
Hey.
Oh, wait, what?
No, it's a. Is that the
Is
octopus
that a
one?
Magikarp?
No, that's
no,
the.
that's the. Oh, that's the Octillery
That's
in
the
the back.
Octillery,
Oh, it looks like
yeah,
a
yeah.
Pokeball.
and it has,
No,
like,
you're
all
right.
three
Oh my
arms.
You're right. I didn't even notice that. Look at that right in the background. You're right. Good catch, dude. Good
It looks
catch.
like a Pokeball, but no, you're right. That is Octillery.
I didn't even catch that actually.
Wait, why is Houndoom or Houndour doing hard labor?
Hard labor.
Was he on the other one?
Yeah, he was in the last pack.
Oh yeah, he is.
Oh man,
That's a big rock.
Yeah.
That's a big rock.
oh my gosh, poor guy.
Cool.
He's getting his street. He's trying to evolve. You know,
He is.
trying to evolve,
Getting that XP.
getting that XP.
Oh, let's go.
All right, here we go.
Oh.
Sword and Shieldbird. These clowns. Indeedy. Weeping Bell.
Weeping Bell.
Alright.
Electabuzz.
Liger.
Honedge again. Scatterbug.
Scatterbug.
Houndour.
There's the
There
Houndour.
he is.
Shinx.
That's the reverse hollow.
Reverse hollow.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Oh,
Tapu
Tapu
Bulu.
Bulu.
I don't know who this
Nice.
is. Oh, look at that. It's nice hollow there.
There's I think 4 Tapus in the Alolan area. So there's Tapu Fini, Tapu Bolu, Coco, and I forget what the 4th one was.
Oh, there's a Tapu VMAX. Oh, Tapu Koko VMAX.
Yeah.
Oh,
Tapu
is
Koko
there?
Fini.
Oh, okay. We watching out for that.
Ooh, there we go.
Dark Energy. Bishop.
Ooh.
Scorn of
Single strike
Scroll.
of Scorn.
Mm.
Heatmore.
Nice.
Poniard.
There we go.
Blipbug. Shinx.
Mm.
Esper. Roly-Coly.
Oh.
Tapu Bulu again.
Oh, back.
Is that
Oh,
the
that's a
hollow?
reverse rare. That's a reverse hollow.
Yeah, that's reverse.
Mr. Rhyme.
Mr.
Galarian.
Rhyme.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wait,
The
is that
evolution
the
of
form?
Huh?
so Galarian Mr. Mime evolves into Mr. Rhyme.
Yep. He's got ball juggling
He's got a little bowl hat.
and
too.
frost smash.
Oh, yeah.
He's a gentleman in the scholar.
That he is.
Wait, there's a Tapu Koko VMAX worth $22.
Oh,
Yeah,
you want all the VMAX?
you already know.
Of course, we want that single strike Urshifu, or
That's
that
the one.
or that T-Tar. We just want them all. Heatmore,
Exactly. More.
Honchcrow,
Mhm.
Camping Gear,
Nice.
Silly Cobra,
There we go.
Tepig. You find another Tepig?
I like the Emboar in the back. He's like, oh my gosh, help me. Glad me.
Oh, I think I took 2. Oh no, I didn't. Timber, Poniard,
Nice.
Phoebe,
Reverse
Reverse
hollow
Hollow.
All right, and
Oh!
let's go.
Trader card. Oh, so do these always come in? No, they're not always hollow, right?
I think the
No.
full arts are typically hollow. No.
Oh, the full arts
So
are
the-
typically hollow.
Yeah.
full arts.
So like the
Ah.
Phoebe that you saw, sometimes they're just like regular, non-hollows.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, that one's
Oh,
dope.
we pulled the full hollow, boys.
That one.
Make sure he's,
$13.
ni- Nice. See, make sure he's
Ooh, that's a-
safe and
that's an
secure
ultra
there.
rare. Ultra
Oh,
rare.
there it is.
There's our top loader.
Not
Gotta
bad, not bad.
gotta protect.
Boom.
Look
to
at
go.
him.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Wait, is he a water Pokemon? Is he like a water Pokemon trainer?
I think he's fighting. I think he's a
He's a fighting one?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Brina's grandfather, or if I'm not mistaken.
This is from obviously it's from the Sword and Shield gen. Oh yeah. Oh right. Is he, okay.
Cop the code.
1, 2, 3, 4. Steel energy.
Nice.
Cacturn.
Oh.
Classic.
Doublade. Crawdont. Salandit. Corphish. Slowpoke. Galarian. Right? Yeah, it's Galarian.
Yeah, it's Galarian Slowpoke, yeah.
Timber.
Boy.
Esper. Sizzlipede.
Yo!
Mimic UV!
No way! Let's
Let's
go! I didn't even realize that Sizzlipede was the reverse hollow. I
Me
was like,
neither.
what?
Oh, it was. I'm
Yo.
looking at him right now. He is. I didn't realize, but oh, Mimic UV.
Look at that Mimikyu. That is awesome.
Oh,
my
that is
God.
nice.
Wow,
That
very
is nice.
Very dope.
$2.
$2.
I don't know how that's $2. That was so
I know,
cool.
right?
Very dope.
The full art one is $19.
Is there like a
Isn't this the full art one, or is there a different one?
Oh, well, not according to the TCG player. So I'm streaming it now. It looks like a little rag doll, like getting tossed around.
Oh,
Maybe
I
it's
see.
like
I see. That's what you. Maybe that's like one of the other ones. I see.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
That is awesome.
That is nice. All right. We're doing good. We're doing good.
That's supposed to be like a mummy Pikachu. Like, what is that thing?
Yeah, he's like a decoy Pikachu kind of.
Yeah.
Like he has a lot of like decoy moves in the games.
Mm.
What's that for? Yes, it is. Psychic. Seadra.
Oh,
Oh,
Single strike.
single strike energy. Camping gear. Cherubi. Horsey.
nice.
Murkrow. Bronzor, sorry. Bellsprout. Aegislash. A reverse hollow.
Reverse.
And we got Colossal.
Oh, whoa.
Hollow Colossal. That looks nice. That looks nice.
Whoa. Is that like a golem kind of guy?
Kind of,
Kinda, yeah.
He's a
Yeah.
rock fire. So it's Roly-Poly, Carkol, and then Colossal.
Evolves from a minecart. Or technically, he still is a minecart.
Yeah, just
It's like a huge Titan minecart.
just stacked. Fire.
Camping gear. Bishop.
Sharp.
Scroll of Scorn. Cherubi. Horsey. Murkrow. Bronzer. Bellsprout.
Oh my god, is it the exact same cards? Is that, yeah.
Oh, the Zubat.
Oh,
reverse
Zubat. It's a reverse hollow. And we got Aegislash.
Aegislash. That's interesting. So there's two Aegislashes. One that's like not hollow, and then like the other one that you pulled.
Yeah. You're right. Oh, you're right. The other one was Aegislash as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's two different kinds.
Oh, foreshadowing, boys. Foreshadowing.
Right.
Single strike.
Ooh,
Urshifu VMAX. Let's go.
Let's go. Is this the one?
Heatmore.
Oh, Anteater guy.
Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Mustard.
Oh,
Oh, that's the guy that I got, right?
That's the guy that you pulled. Yeah.
Yeah. Warfish. Timber.
That's my guy.
Baltoy.
You already know.
Sizzlipede. Mankey.
Oh, Mankey.
Meowstic.
Reverse
Oh, that's
hollow
nice.
Meowstic.
Reverse hollow. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready?
Let's go.
Ah, Bolton.
Oh,
Bolton. He's not even hollow.
What?
Man.
Wait, that thing
That's
just-
surprisingly with this pack. I've seen a lot of like last pulls are actually not hollow cards, like the Galarian Mr. Rhyme or the Bolton. For example.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. That's a good observation. That's a good observation.
Was that just like a dog, straight up?
Yeah. Yeah. A
there's
thunder dog.
evolution of the Emperor. Mhm.
Oh.
3, 4.
Oh,
Right.
all right.
Got it.
There we go.
Thunder. Oh, rapid strike energy.
Right.
Cacturn. Scroll of Swirls. Liger. Onedge. Scatterbug. Ounder. Frillish. Am I saying that right? Frillish.
Yep. Frillish.
Onyx is our reverse hollow.
There we go.
Oh, it's a sign. It's fighting. It's a fighting. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, Pavilion.
Is that not hollow too?
No, it wasn't.
It was not hollow.
It was not hollow.
Oh.
It's just a regular. Yeah.
Just a regular. It's what's it called? It's because it's foreshadowing that I'm gonna get the best one later. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Exactly. It's like Tabit says, manifesting the positive thoughts.
Exactly.
Grass energy, let's go.
Scroll of Swirls. Seadra. Rapid Strike. Oh, single, sorry. Ponder. Blipbug. Esper. Shanks. Roly Coly. Here you go, Peruvian. This is the Peruvian Thunder. This is the evolve of the other guy, the Corco.
Yep.
Blipbug is our reverse hollow. And we got Conkeldurr.
What is that thing?
It's the evolve of the what was it?
So
that's the
Peruvian
one with
Thunder.
Yeah.
So that's the final evolution of Timber. So it's Timber, it's Girder, and then Conkeldurr. They're all materials for construction.
Oh, that's sick. I need that.
Timber, steel, concrete.
And in the games, I remember this guy's a powerhouse.
Yeah.
This guy's a powerhouse in the Sword and Shield game.
The second one is Girder.
For what?
The second evolution in that chain.
We got 5 left. We got which one do you guys think? But with the 5 left is going to be the best one. The Rapid Strike Urshifu. Single Strike Urshifu VMAX. Which one?
I think it's the second one from the right side.
Second one from the right. This guy.
Yeah, that one.
He's gonna be our last one. He's gonna be our last one.
Okay.
That's gonna be it. We're gonna summon our energy.
Let's go.
Yeah, don't they do that in Deal or No Deal? Like, oh, do you want?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yep.
Copyright.
Corco. Karina's Focus. Tower of Darkness. Slowpoke. Galarian. Timber.
My boy.
Asper. Electabuzz.
There it is.
Licky Tongue.
Nice.
I want to get another Licky. Our reverse hollow was Phalanx.
And
Let's go!
wait, then what's in that pack?
Oh man, this has got to be the best one.
VMAX. That's the VMAX.
Oh man.
That looks so
Ooh.
cool.
So I think last time you got the single strike Urshifu V, right?
Let me double check. I thought it was the Rapid as well.
Oh, was it also the Rapid?
Yeah. So this is the one that I got last time.
Oh, that's awesome! Look at that.
So it's 2 different art styles.
Oh yeah, they're both the same card but different art. Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, no, I think they're different Pokemon.
Oh
Look
yeah,
at their,
this one's.
their
Oh no,
chest. Yeah.
It's a Rapid Strike too.
they're both Rapid Strikes. Yeah, they're different Pokemons. Oh wait.
Yeah.
No. Look at there's. Why is their attack the same?
Yeah, it's the same. Like the spelling is all the same.
Yeah, everything is the same.
Look at the coat though. Like look at the pattern on
Yeah,
there.
the code is different. Yeah.
No, you're right. The code is different. I wonder. Oh, that's different. Okay, that's cool.
That's wild.
I wonder why they did that. Just variety, I guess.
I know there's 2 legendaries that are like.
Oh, you got the full art. The full art is the one you pulled before.
Oh, that's considered the full art. Okay.
Yes, that's the full art.
Okay.
Oh, because it doesn't have. Oh yeah, because it goes all the way down.
Oh, I see. Versus this, it has that.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
The full art
Gotcha.
is worth a little more.
Nice.
The full art is worth 19.
19. Okay.
The one you pulled was 6, I think.
6. Nice.
And then the alternate full art is 56. Not the trifecta. Oh, they actually.
There he is. There he is.
Yeah, that's nice.
All right. All right.
We got
1, 2, 3, 4. Water energy. Dottler.
Oh, that's a new guy.
Yeah, you're right. I don't think I got him yet. Coracle. EXP share.
Oh,
this is what we need. This is what we need. We're gonna EXP share that pack.
Right, share that
We're
pack.
gonna EXP share this pack. There we go.
Yeah.
Galarian Slowpoke. Timber.
Oh, that's my boy.
Timber.
Esper.
Esper.
Electabuzz. Licky Tongue.
Oh, the
Luxio. Is that reverse hollow?
All right. And
Octillery.
Oh, Octillery.
Hollow Octillery.
Very nice. I think Grappalox is in the set, right?
I'm not sure. I don't think I pulled him yet.
Yeah, it's a fighting octopus, the blue one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Okay.
I think that one's in this set.
It should be. Yeah. I think he's Galarian. Or is he Galarian? No. Is he Sword and Shield only?
I think he is Galarian.
Yeah. So he should be. Oh, we got another EXP share.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go.
Let's go. Rapid Strike.
Cacturn. Scatterbug. Spoink.
Oh,
Look at that art. I love it.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Oh, that's
Mr. Mime. There we go. Galarian Mr. Mime.
Yep.
There he is.
Mawile.
Oh,
Damn, look at that. That's
This
nice.
is looking good. These are all new guys.
Cacnea. Big Knight.
Oh, what?
Is our reverse hollow.
Here we go.
Licky.
Licky.
There we go. We
There
got
we
him.
go.
The XG mascot.
There it is.
Licky.
Licky, man.
All right, we got one more before our special one. Our premiere.
The VMAX.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here we go.
Fire energy. Morpeko, the angry one. The angry variant. Level ball.
Nice.
Big Knight. Corfish. Timber.
My boy.
Baltoy. Sizzlipede. Banky. Not there yet. Roly-Coly. There he is. A reverse holo. And we got... Oh! Go Oh, let's go!
Art, dude.
Oh, man!
That sick.
That's nice!
God.
Oh my god! Holy...
Look at that. That is beautiful.
That is gorgeous.
That is.
Holy moly.
That's what I'm talking about.
That is nice. Whoa.
Max.
Gotta be careful.
Nice. That looks sick.
Corviknight.
That looks like the symbol of America.
VMAX, man. That's what I'm talking
VMAX.
Oh my god. Lustrous body.
Look at that. Glorious.
Beautiful.
Absolutely glorious.
All right, what does our last pack have in store?
Oh,
EXP share helped.
EXP share. Oh, look at that. And the art we got outside is a single strike. Could this be it? Could this be it?
I believe.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right. It's saying that we guessed right. We had psychic abilities and we guessed right.
There it is.
Colonel Mustard.
there
Colonel
you go.
Mustard. I'm calling him Colonel Mustard. We're not playing Risk. We're playing Pokemon.
Colonel Mustard.
Durant.
Oh, dude.
Morpeko. I wonder if they have the happy Morpeko here.
So they had it in Trending Fates. I haven't seen it.
Oh, I see. Okay. Horsey. Murkrow. Bronzer. Bellsprout. Like the buzz. Cheryl is our reverse hollow.
Cheryl,
And here it is.
Here's
We got
build up.
Victory. Oh man.
Those were some awesome pulls.
Those were some awesome pulls. Overall, we were pretty successful.
I would say so.
I would say so. We got 2 V Pokemon, 1 V Max, and 1 full art trainer card. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments how much you've enjoyed us. Thank you very much to my boys, Peruvian Thunder and Stormwalker. And as always, have a good morning, have a good night, and have an even amazing afternoon. Take care.